Dzień dobry, dzień dobry. Welcome to Poznan city. Well, actually, this Christmas tree already here for about few days. So because today I've got day off and Damian it off, and then we decided to stroll around the Christmas market in Poznan, and then we were in Wrocław last time. Now we will show you how is Christmas market in our city in Poznan.
In Poznan, let's go. This is beautiful Christmas tree actually, with the beautiful city hall in Poznan. One thing what is famous for Poznan, they are the goats, and now they have a goat on the Christmas, and the rogal actually, which is the croissant, kind of croissant. Rogal Świętomarciński is actually the goat and the rogal.
Yes, and the thing is that in Poznan there are three yarmark or Christmas market. One here in
Market Square, yeah.
Old Market Square, and the second one in the Plac Wolności,
Which is Freedom Square.
Yes, and the last one is the MTP,
Which
right?
is Targi Expo.
Yes.
So there are three actually places for the Christmas in Poznan. This is very, very interesting because not many other cities have it like this one. There is also the ice rink. We're gonna come back when the session gonna be open, and there also very nice architecture here. Been a while since I was here, so I have to be honest. So yeah. Let's have a stroll around and let's see the Freedom Square after as well, where the bazaars, right?
Right. Let's. What a beautiful Christmas.
Yo, what's up? How you doing? No, I'm just joking. But like I really said, there are three places. That's why here is not too busy on the square, because there are most people having food in the Freedom Square. But here is unique because there is ice rink. I was thinking to do some skating. It's been like 20 plus years since I was doing last time, so better not, because I still have to show you more Christmas markets this year, so better I don't break my arm. By the way, that's how does it look like. Pretty decent, right? Beautiful and safe. That's the most important now, if you know what I mean. There are some nice restaurants, many people coming to making pictures actually. That's the flower shop, that's the Rynek restaurant, that's the Asian restaurant, of course must be with the red colors, but all of them they having a nice decors. Isn't it, Sam?
It's so pretty, even that during the winter they don't have a sitting outdoors, but the thing is that indoors you can still enjoy the restaurant, the food and everything, but
That's the thing.
from outside you can see that the Christmas decoration is so glamorous.
That's the thing. Oh, sorry, this one's actually Asian, this one's actually Mexican, I think. Either way, you got the point. And also city decorations like this one, and on many streets like this one, like lightning chains and the other decors you can spot. Also there will be fountain with the lights, but not yet. I don't know why it's off actually, to be honest, today, but will be. So you have goats, that's the city hall, and the dongs. Alright, and then next door is the ice rink. So people already skating, as I said. Only few actually, it's Monday, have to say, that's the first thing. Not too many people yet. But generally like this one.
Would you like to try, Kanye?
Yeah, like I said, I would like to try to skate on the frozen lakes, Oh, music now. Yeah, okay, that's copyright risk. I will show you one more time. Generally the vibe, like this. Abba. There are some stalls here actually, few of them. Actually there is the city hall. The more stalls actually is in the Freedom Square, there where is this very weird. So it's actually walking distance and you can see actually from this side.
So that's behind me is the ice rink and the Christmas tree, and then the restaurant. Now just a little bit here the Christmas market. There's stalls selling the mulled wine, and then some of the Christmas stuff here, food.
This is like a pre-market for the food before we're gonna get to the Freedom Square, which is there what I mentioned before. But you can still have something here as well.
The mulled wine is over there as well. You see
Yeah.
that people selling the
Usually in the huts like this one with the towers, they are already more mulled wine usually. But in the rynek in Poznan, actually, there's not too many stars. That's the one thing. And usually busy to compare to Wrocław. Here is usually only on weekends or before Christmas. So this is the Paderewskiego Street, short street leading between the Freedom Square to the market. And actually the biggest action of the market square, number 2, which is the food, is there. Where is the Ferris wheel? So we were there, actually, we came from there. This is the St. Martin Street area. There is the gallery, and this is actually the busiest part of the Christmas market, volume 2. Reminds me of the last time I was like this with my Aussie uncle and auntie in Bangkok. Remember you were?
this one.
No, you wanna go?
No, I don't wanna.
Alright. Anyways, mulled wine must be. Co to jest?
Bardzo się cieszymy na każdy wasz uśmiech.
Yeah, the goat token.
Życzyć wesołych świąt, dużo radości każdego dnia, ciepła, rodzinnej atmosfery i wielu magicznych chwil tutaj, na jarmarku i w waszych domach.
Przychodźcie do nas jak najczęściej, bo my zawsze na was czekamy. Z radosnym
So here it's called Poznańskie Koło Marzeń, which is the Poznan, the Wheel of Dreams. But it's all generally Ferris wheel, right? Alright. Much busier here, isn't it?
No, tak.
Dobra, idziemy. Let's have a look what we can have here. Interesting. Actually, to be honest, this looks much more alive and better than the square. For unknown reason in Poznań. Idziemy. For unknown reason in Poznań, Freedom Square is more alive regarding the Christmas than the market square. So they are next to each other basically, but you have to understand as they are two different spots. And of course, more people everywhere around, and mulled wine here is busy. Actually, pretty busy. So, and pretty nice though. Idziemy. So, definitely way more people here, isn't it? Let's go. Here we go.
I think that last year we didn't have like this, but now this one is the brand new one. Right? This is like the roller coaster of the year. Nice, right?
Ah, many nice stuff actually. Even this one is nice. Many nice stuff. Yeah. You can. This is the one time in the year you can feel like a kid again, huh? No matter what. Ooh, is somebody inside? So what they have it here?
I want to show to our viewers about what they actually selling here. There are so many like the fresh fruit, chocolate, and the price range is starting from 10 zloty until 20.
Yeah. You can even have a chili pepper with the. Great.
Next door they have a frisky, which is the French fries.
Yeah.
And let's go further.
Let's have a look. What is actually more?
I think they also have like a sashimi kielbasa.
Yeah, they have this kind of food. This kind of food is literally everywhere. On every single market in Poland, you will find this kind of food, like a mulled wine on every corner, and you will find the food like this one. Yeah, with the sashwyk, with the bigos, with the kaszanka, with the bigos, bread. It's not like a zapiekanka, it's the fajda chleba, which is like a bread with the sausage and the onion.
The portion is so huge.
No, it's cost 35 zł, by the way, just in case if you are interested. And this is bigos. We don't like bigos actually. You don't like bigos, no? You don't like bigos?
I like it, but it's not my favorite.
Not your favorite. Alright. And the mulled wine, people drinking, eating. Definitely way more alive and more interesting. Here Yeah. Quite also many foreigners,
Yes.
which is actually surprising a little bit in Poznan, because Poznan is not so tourist city though, it's more about the business here. But yet. Sayang, that's your favorite cheese here, sir. Your cheese from the mountains. Here we go, you see? The grating cheese like this one. And this one with the bacon. Oh, this one is the bacon one. This one is regular one. Yeah, many people from Germany, from Spain, and British. That's 3 nations and 3 languages. Many Christmas trees. Very light. Many craft stuff. But they brought the dream cages. You know. Art, deliveries, Christmas, churros.
Oh, this is how they make churros.
No.
If we go to Spain, we will eat like this every day. No?
Tak.
And we will plan to go to Spain.
We plan to go to Spain soon. That's the thing. This girl's making pictures all across Poznan. I see them on every shop. They found. Alright, what do we have here?
They have a pierogi.
Yeah, zupy, pierogi, żurek. Alright. And there is another place for the mulled wine. Nice view of them. View from the other perspective, from the distance, like this one. Definitely much more people.
Tanya, let's go there. There is a Christmas singing carol.
Okay, let's go. That's the mulled wine place, and the Christmas carol must be there. Let's see. So many glasses. And that something is going on here. Let's have a look.
Słyszeliście nocy ten, jakaż to radosna wieść była tam na ile serc i zdeo, ile serc i zostaw stada pośród gór.
Look at this. Nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
So they have also cheese here. Cheese. They singing there, the carols. Older people, that's also nice, not only young, no?
And the thing is that everybody enjoying the Christmas market here. So the Christmas vibe are everywhere.
That's the most important thing of the Christmas in Europe. Generally speaking, everywhere around the world, people celebrate Christmas slightly different, but generally speaking, it's very familiar. Yes. What is this? This is again what we eat last time in Wrocław.
Yeah, we am.
Babe, don't you realize this here is cheaper?
Not. This is not under.
Just straightforward. Actually, quite well cheaper. Half price, sayang. So this food behind you is typical Polish regional food, sayang. Everywhere in Poland, but will be like this one. And here the pierniki everywhere around, which is my favorite one. However, this one a more decorative one, like this one or the heart, or the Santa, like this one, or the reindeer, or the houses, or the whole package. That's how you Merry Christmas. Oh, that's nice. Sausage stand. Actually, I think this one is like a kowacze, like a Hungarian, no? This one Hungarian, no? What we eat in Budapest, no? Alright. So generally, this is like a honey stand. Everything from the honey, some coffee stand, some, you know, regular match, everything, souvenir stuff, regular one, delivery. This is the Christmas decoration actually. This one is really nice. This one is actually pretty decent. Old watches and so on and so on and so on. This is the Vikings and Slavic people decorations. Remember, we are not Caucasian. I think I mentioned millions of times saying Slavic.
You are Slavic.
Slavic, not Caucasian. I know. Tell to your people in Indonesia.
Yeah, because in Indonesia, especially in Bali, everybody, whenever we met, they call my husband Russian.
Yeah, that's it. Forget about that. Either way, that's the situation. Actually, if I wear this hat, I will look like a Russian. The mulled wine. This is probably the most popular tourist attraction. This one is actually nice. I mentioned a few times already. Yeah, this is nice. Alright. Saying what you got today? Oh, gee.
I just decided to buy the fruits and chocolate like this. This
For
one,
me?
the kiwi.
You upside down, saying. Reverse. Shoot. No, this is like a back side. Other side before you eat. To make it nice.
Koreanya, I can't wait for that.
Ja wiem. Co to jest? Kiwi in czekoladu?
Oh my god, so fresh.
Ena?
Tak,
Nice?
lubię.
No, spróbuję. Dobra. After I film you. See? Each time we try something different. In Gdańsk we're gonna try also something different. In different city we try different. Smacznego.
Pachnie.
This is the icon of the city.
A wszędzie dookoła tyle ludzi.
Who goes? So yeah, they are just making a joke about the Christmas, right?
Yeah, joking around.
Z góry? Z jakiej góry? No oczywiście z Młyńskiego Koła. Tam dopiero można zobaczyć cały Poznań.
Right, so that's the Christmas market here too, actually in Poznan, Poland. There's also one in different location, which maybe I'm gonna make it on the part 2 of this video, right?
Right. So I think that's all our video today about the Christmas market. For those of you who are curious about how the Christmas market in Poland looks like, and then probably in the next video, Christmas market in the different cities in Poland. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya, take care.